Pidgin is a free and open-source multi-platform instant messaging client, based on a library named libpurple that has support for many instant messaging protocols, allowing the user to simultaneously log into various services from one application. The number of Pidgin users was estimated to be over 3 million in 2007. Pidgin is widely used for its off-the-record messaging plugin, which offers end-to-end encryption. For this reason it is included in the privacy and anonymity-focused operating system Tails. Chelsea Manning used it when leaking documents that would later be hosted by WikiLeaks. History. The program was originally written by Mark Spencer, an Auburn University sophomore, as an emulation of AOL's IM program AOL Instant Messenger on Linux using the GTK Plus toolkit. The earliest archived release was on December 31, 1998. It was named GAIM accordingly. The emulation was not based on reverse engineering, but instead relied on information about the protocol that AOL had published on the web. Development was assisted by some of AOL's technical staff. Support for other IM protocols was added soon thereafter. As of July 6, 2015, Pidgin scored 7 out of 7 points on the Electronic Frontier Foundation's Secure Messaging Scorecard. They have received points for having communications encrypted in transit, having communications encrypted with keys that providers don't have access to, making it possible for users to independently verify their correspondents' identities, having passed communications secure if the keys are stolen, having their code open to independent review, having their security designs well documented, and having recent independent security audits. Naming dispute equals. In response to pressure from AOL, the program was renamed to the acronymous but lowercase GAIM. As AOL Instant Messenger gained popularity, AOL trademarked its acronym, AIM, leading to a lengthy legal struggle with the creators of GAIM, who kept the matter largely secret. On April 6, 2007, the project development team announced the results of their settlement with AOL, which included a series of name changes. GAIM became Pidgin, libgem became libpurple, and GAIM text became Finch. The name Pidgin was chosen in reference to the term pidgin, which describes communication between people who do not share a common language. The name purple refers to PRPL, the internal libgem name for an IM protocol plugin. Due to the legal issues, version 2.0 of the software was frozen in beta stages. Following the settlement, it was announced that the first official release of Pidgin 2.0.0 was hoped to occur during the 2 weeks from April 8, 2007. However, Pidgin 2.0 was not released as scheduled. Pidgin developers announced on April 22, 2007 that the delay was due to the Preferences Directory game. Pidgin 2.0.0 was released on May 3, 2007. Other visual changes were made to the interface in this version, including updated icons. Features. Pidgin provides a graphical front-end for libpurple using GTK+. libpurple supports many instant messaging protocols. Pidgin supports multiple operating systems, including Windows and many Unix-like systems such as Linux, the BSDs, and Amiga OS. It is included by default in the operating systems Tails and Xubuntu. Pluggability. The program is designed to be extended with plugins. Plugins are often written by third-party developers. They can be used to add support for protocols, which is useful for those such as Skype which have licensing issues. They can also add other significant features. For example, the off-the-record messaging plugin provides end-to-end encryption. The TLS encryption system is pluggable, allowing different TLS libraries to be easily substituted. GNU TLS is the default, and NSS is also supported. Some operating systems ports, such as OpenBSDs, choose to use OpenSSL or libRSA by default instead. Contacts with multiple protocols can be grouped into one single contact instead of managing multiple protocols, and contacts can be given aliases or placed into groups. To reach users as they log on or a status change occurs, Pidgin supports on-action automated scripts called buddy pounces to automatically reach the user in customizable ways. File transfer Pidgin supports file transfers for many protocols. It lacks some protocol-specific features like the folder sharing available from Yahoo. Direct, peer-to-peer file transfers are supported over protocols such as XMPP and MSN. Voice and video chat As of version 2.6, Pidgin supports voice-video calls using FastStream. As of July 2015, calls can only be initiated through the XMPP protocol. Miscellaneous Further features include support for themes, emoticons, spell checking, and notification area integration. Supported protocols The following protocols are officially supported by libpurple 2.9.0, without any extensions or plugins. Some XMPP servers provide transports, which allow users to access networks using non-XMPP protocols without having to install plugins or additional software. Pidgin's support for XMPP means that these transports can be used to communicate via otherwise unsupported protocols, including not only instant messaging protocols, but also protocols such as SMS or email. Additional protocols, supported by third-party plugins, include Microsoft OCS/LCS, Telegram, QQ, Skype via Skype for Pidgin plugin, WhatsApp and the XFIRE gaming network. Plugins Various other features are supported using third-party plugins. Such features include end-to-end encryption, through off-the-record messaging, notifications, showing contacts what you are listening to in various media players, adding mathematical formulas written in LaTeX to conversations, Skype text chat via Skype for Pidgin plugin, watching videos directly into your conversation when receiving a video sharing website link. Criticisms: passwords are stored in a plaintext file, readable by any person or program that can access the user's files. Version 3.0 of Pidgin will support password storage in system keyrings such as Quallet and the GNOME keyring. Pidgin does not currently support pausing or reattempting file transfers. As of version 2.4 and later, the ability to manually resize the text input box of conversations was removed. This led to a fork. Carrier. Pidgin does not allow disabling the group sorting on the contact list. Other notable software based on libpurple, Adium and Proteus, Mabo, Telepathy Haze, Qtcom, Instantbird, Debian and Bif are IRCD-like gateways to multiple IM networks, and can be compiled with libpurple to increase functionality. See also. References. External links, official website.